What are the health benefits of American Beautyberry? If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to help us get to 1,000 subscribers. The berry's leaves and roots have been used medicinally. The leaves are commonly used as a natural insect repellent against mosquitoes, ticks, and ants. Native Americans used the root and leaves as a tea in sweat baths for rheumatism, fevers, and malaria. They used root tea for dysentery and stomach aches. Root and berry tea was used for colic. There is ongoing research into the following potential health benefits of beautyberry: antioxidants, fighting inflammation, repairing and preventing lung damage, preventing and treating diabetes, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-cancer potential, brain health, improving memory.